Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Danish giants FC Copenhagen have announced the signing of Bafana Bafana attacker Thapelo Maseko on a 4-year deal from Mamelodi Sundowns. The 22-year-old will wear jersey number 12. Maseko, who was a hero for Bafana Bafana as they picked up their only win at the 2026 FIFA World Cup against South Korea to make history by making it into the knockout stages for the first time in the country's history, with Thapelo Maseko scoring that goal. Prior to the global showpiece in the Americas, Maseko was shipped out on loan to Cypriot top-flight outfit AEL Limassol by Mamelodi Sundowns, where he netted 2 goals and an assist in 15 outings. His form was so impressive that Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos decided to call him for the Bafana Bafana squad that will be going to the World Cup, and he repaid the coach with brilliant performances at the World Cup. Now, the two clubs, Mamelodi Sundowns and FC Copenhagen, have reached an agreement of 28 million, about 1.5 million euros. Maseko made 45 appearances, scoring 3 goals and an assist for Mamelodi Sundowns since joining the African champions from SuperSport United in 2023. Here is what FC Copenhagen head coach Bo Svensson said regarding signing Thapelo Maseko. He says, "In Thapelo, we get an explosive, dynamic player with exceptional qualities in direct one-on-one situation. His pace and ability to challenge his direct opponent will make him a constant threat in behind, and he can also use his left foot to assist teammates when cutting inside. There are naturally still elements to refine, but Thapelo's potential is high and he always works tirelessly for the team, so we are really looking forward to working with him on a daily basis." That's the statement from FC Copenhagen head coach. And Mamelodi Sundowns also announced, saying, "Thank you, Thapelo. A chapter in yellow comes to a close. We appreciate everything you brought to the club and wish you all the best in your next chapter." That's the statement from Mamelodi Sundowns as they announced that Thapelo Maseko is moving to FC Copenhagen. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this move by Thapelo Maseko to move to FC Copenhagen in the Danish league? Do you think that it's a good move for him? And also, is it a good move for Mamelodi Sundowns, who managed to sell him for 28 million rands? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.